Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the scribble on iPadOS 14 if it's not working with you. The reason why it won't work is because of the keyboard. If you have a third-party keyboard installed on your device, the scribble feature won't work on the iPadOS 14. As you can see here, I will show you. It's a bit laggy because it's the beta. As you can see here, I have the Gboard. If you look at my keyboard, and if I go ahead and write whatever I want in the search bar with my Apple Pencil, it won't let me. But the way to fix it is you go to settings, you go to general, scroll a little bit down, go to keyboard, then keyboards, and you have to add another keyboard, which is the Apple keyboard, originally from Apple, from your own device. Just add English or whatever language you want, and you can either delete the third-party keyboard or you can keep it. In this case, I'll just delete it and keep the original Apple keyboard. And if you look at my keyboard, it's the original Apple keyboard, and if I go ahead and write whatever I want, it will work. And that's how you delete whatever you want. I have a bad handwriting. Let me fix this. There you go. And that's how you delete. And I'll also show you, if you go to settings, scroll a little bit down, go to Apple Pencil, you will see the scribble feature. It's working. That was it for this video, guys. Hit the like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions or issues. See you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye.